Alright, David Harry here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 13 mini. So this is just going to be a very basic unboxing. I will then power the phone up, we'll have a close look at it. I'm also interested to see what the size difference is between it and the Galaxy S21. That could be useful to some people. And then what I will do, I will end the video by showing you a bunch of things that I've got where I'm going to be doing very specific videos for stuff to do with the iPhone 13 mini, such as various types of interfaces, screen protecting cases and stuff like that. So what I'll do now, I'll just flip the camera over and get into the unboxing. So to start off with then, I will just do a little run around the box just so we can see how the box looks. But, you know, there's going to be no great surprises here. This box is just typical of most Apple product boxes where they just go for basically an elegant look, dead simple, and making sure that you obviously know what is inside the box. Now, I'm not going to show you the back of the box because there's cereals on there and stuff. However, I would like to say immediately, I commend Apple for the fact that they have not used any plastic packaging on the outside of the box, and the box itself is small. So this is a plus point basically to Apple there. You know, they're being as eco-friendly as possible with these things. So let me just pull these tabs off the back here, and then we will get into the box. Hold on. So there's the two tabs come off. Now let me just put it down here a second and lift it up. Whoa, how sexy does that look? Right, just for a moment, let me just pull that to one side. So there's the phone. Now, obviously, in the box, there's hardly anything in there. Once again, I'm so made up with that. Just not wasting valuable resources and stuff. Anyway, so there's our USB-C to Lightning cable there for charging and for data. And then we have a little package here. What do we have inside here? Oh, SIM eject tool and stuff like that. And an obligatory Apple sticker there, and just some like notice there as well. Let me just get that out the way up there. But the star attraction here is the phone itself, obviously. So looking at the back of the phone, oh, this looks great. Okay, so let me just peel this front bit off. Wow, okay. Right, what it is, I haven't had an iPhone for some time. I had the SE Mark II, but I didn't have it for that long. But this here, you know, in the hand, it feels awesome. Right, another thing here that I'd like to say is I've only got small hands, and this phone is super manageable for anyone who's only got small hands. I've got this for its size because I'm hoping that it's going to be good for vlogging. So I want like a small little phone system which has got a decent camera on for vlogging. So that's why I've got the mini. However, another advantage is, like I say, people with small hands will have a real good time with this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go off, I'm going to power it up, put a couple of things on, and then let's have a look at it when it's switched on. Okay, so there's my phone all kind of set up and powered on and stuff. And I've just had a quick little play with it. And I have to say, despite the fact that it is a small screen, it's so easy to kind of get at stuff and whatnot. And, you know, kind of like I was thinking, is it going to be too small? Absolutely not. Well, at least not for me anyway. So I think this is awesome. Another thing to make clear here, I'm not going to be like a power user with this phone either. I'm basically going to just use it as a phone and do standard stuff with it, texting and things like that, you know, little bits of web stuff like listening to stuff, watching things and stuff like that. So I didn't need a super heavy phone, like, you know, big screen and massive battery and all that type of stuff, which is another reason why I've gone for the mini here. Anyways, it immediately feels all right. I really like it. And let's just check one thing here. Let's see. So that now is full brightness there. That's probably going to look very bright on the camera there, possibly. It might even look blown out in parts. I have to say, yeah, I could probably live with that brightness. I'm indoors, it's very bright right now, but these kind of things, you know, as I'm starting to use it, I will maybe do a follow-up video with, like, you know, my experience, first use and stuff like that. But right now, that's actually too bright for indoors for me. So let me just pull that back down. Okay, so this keeps coming up with notification stuff. Anyways, let's just do a quick run around the sides and back so we can have a look at stuff. So as you can see there's the lock button. There's the volume up and down. And then down here is the SIM tray. On the top there, there's nothing. There's a band here. Obviously, that's to do with, like, you know, let's get that closer. There's a band there, and that's obviously to do with, like, you know, its antenna and stuff like that. Then on this side, we've just got the power button there. Also, there's another band there as well. Now on the back, it's already got a ton of fingerprints on it, because this is a fingerprint magnet at the end of the day. However, that's not going to bother me because I'm putting a case on this immediately and stuff. And on the front as well, I'm definitely going to put a screen protector on. Anyways, there's the two lenses there for the cameras. Now, they are things that I will definitely be testing anyway, because I'm hoping that this might actually be a decent little vlogging tool. And just quickly, there's a size comparison with this here, which is a Galaxy S21. And as we can see, the iPhone 13 mini is a fair bit smaller. And the thing is as well, the Galaxy S21 here is not really a large phone or anything. In fact, it's, you know, it's relatively small by comparison to some of the stuff that you can get on Android, especially as it the likes of the Ultra and the S21 range and stuff like that. However, it'll definitely give you an idea of what the size difference is like. Okay, what I'm going to do now is flip the camera back around, and let me just end the video by showing you some stuff that I've got for my new iPhone 13 mini. Okay, so there we have it then, my not so short and simple unboxing for the new iPhone 13 mini. Now, just before I finish this, I've got a bunch of stuff here and a bunch more stuff in a box over there, right? So let me just run through some of this stuff. Screen protector by ESR, awesome. Also, there's a protective phone case by ESR. There's also an ESR magnetic charging system there as well. Then I've also got various cable and stuff, headphone adapters, and this one's really interesting actually. This is meant to be able to do HDMI and USB and power at the same time over Lightning, which is something that you very rarely see, so that's going to be a good thing to test. And then I've also got like certain other Apple products as well, cables, adapters and interfaces and stuff like that. There's a lot more that I've got in a box over there than what's on the table. So if you're into like this iPhone 13 stuff and what have you, defo keep an eye on the channel, because this stuff is probably going to be helping people to like expand their iPhone and make its usability a bit more and things like that. Also protect your iPhone and charge it. Anyways, there will be links in the description below and stuff, taking you to a whole bunch of stuff to do with the iPhone and all that kind of thing. And if you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel, getting all over that bell notification icon in the process, especially if you are interested in seeing this stuff about the iPhone 13. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.